knowing that this part of the practice is powerful in community. Quieting the mind together has an impact. Grounding, breathing, slowing down, tuning away from everything in the outer and tuning into the inner. Drawing forth from within, getting still, getting quiet, it matters. It is calling, it is a practice, it is essential. So we give ourselves this time, this contemplative time, this mindful time, knowing that it is as crucial as nutrition. It is as expansive as creativity. It is as nourishing as love. It is in our nature to be silent. So we inhale and we exhale, relaxing the mind, relaxing the body. And just lean into the stillness. Allow the body to become so still. And lean into that stillness. Bringing the full attention to the present moment. As any thoughts arise, we simply observe or acknowledge them and come back to the breath, to the holy instant. This is the portal to the awakened consciousness, the consciousness of the Christ demonstrated in Jesus, the Master Teacher, the consciousness of the awakening practiced in the Buddha. The demonstration of the teachings, meeting each one of us as individuals and as a collective in this time and space. It's that simple. Feeling the stillness and knowing that a still mind follows a still body. As we unite with the breath in the sacred silence. the power of this practice. May all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we're born blessed and here to be a blessing. In dedication to the life we've been given and the time and the form we give this life, we say namaste.